Okay, this is a request for Wednesday. Let me make this right. This is for Wednesday, February 4th. And, what's all this? Wednesday, February 4th for problem number 9. It's one of the word problems. So it says Jane has $1.40 in nickels and dimes. If there are 20 coins, write a systems of equation and determine the number of nickels and dimes she has. So we know that we have a particular number of coins and it says it's 20 coins. Okay, so 20 coins, okay? So we know the coins are nickels and dimes. So what do you think the first or one of the equations will be? So you know it's going to be something that equals 20. So what would be equal 20? Okay, if you had nickels and dimes, that's true. So I'm going to let N be the nickels plus D be the dimes. Okay, that equals 20. And now we know the other equation would have to be, say, the amount of money. Okay, right? So the total amount of money is $1.40. So when you set up the equation, how many cents is in a nickel for N? So it's 5 cents. 0.05 N. Okay, and you know how many cents is in a dime. Y'all follow me now. 0.10 D. Now we have the system of equations. Okay, now you wrote the formula or the problem down, but it also asks you to determine the number of nickels and dimes she has. And that's where it comes to the methods we use to solve the system. Now, so I've taught you elimination and we've gone over graphing. Haven't done substitution yet, okay? Graphing, you'd have to change this whole thing into y equals or n equals. So that may be a little more work. So let me try to show you how to solve it using elimination. Okay, remember elimination, you want to get rid of one of the variables, the n or the d, it doesn't matter, by making changes to one of the equations in order to zero it out. So if I multiply everything by a negative 0.05, a negative, okay? So if I multiply everything across here by negative 0.05, so that's going to give me a negative 0.05 for your n. So therefore it's going to cancel out. So we know that's gone. Plus, and this is going to be negative 0.05 for the D here. So negative 0.05 D. I know it's real messy. And so if you multiply negative 0.05 times 20, 0.05, so that will give you 1. So we are going to change the 20 to just a plain simple 1. Okay, I hope you can follow me. So now we're going to, remember we add the columns. So we got rid of the N, so we have the D's. So 0.10, you take away the 0.05, it's going to give you 0.05. Because 0.05 plus 0.05 is 0.10, right? Makes a lot of sense. Equals, now this is, looks like this is going to be a negative 1 because I went up, multiplied all the way across. 0.05 times the 20, and you see it's going to be a negative 1 because it was a negative 0.05. See? So this is going to be the negative 1. So now that's negative 1 plus a positive 140 is going to give you 40 cents. 0.40. Okay? So now, don't forget the D there. Where's the D? There you go. So now this is going to determine how many dimes we got. So if we divide 0.05, don't get nervous because they're decimals, it's okay. 0.05 divided by 0.40, if you want to use a calculator, you can. Or you can just write it out like I'm doing, bring it back to memory or middle school. So you move the decimal at the end, so we know it's 8. So that tells us there are 8 dimes. Dimes are 8. What does it ask a question again? How many nickels or how many dimes? Okay. So if you know there are 20 coins, so we know the nickels must be what? Isn't it 12? Okay. So because 8 and 12 will give you 20. So I hope this helps you. Please write a reaction. If you're totally confused, put a note on Edmodo, say do it over again. I didn't get it. And I will. Okay, have a good day.